Oh, look at what I just spotted through the weeds. And even, oh no, my ND filter broke. Sweet. So, GPS said that it was way over there. Luckily, I just had a feeling it was here. And I walked across this little ravine, and boom, there's a big storm rolling in. These clouds look pretty threatening. They're a little bubbly. And I'm gonna start heading down. Whew, what a workout. So the poor drone had a rough weekend. As you can see, it's doing a little wave here. This arm is obviously snapped right in half. It also snapped my top plate. You can see right there, it's just cracked right in half. What happened there was the battery had so much weight and momentum that it pushed the top plate down and smashed that. It also smashed the battery. I'm probably not even gonna try to charge this. I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure if it impacted enough to enter that cell. We'll find out, I guess. The other thing that happened was when the drone impacted the ground so hard, the GoPro camera had so much force coming down. You could see it just bent my top plate, almost tearing it completely. That's an aluminum plate that I actually manufacture myself. So that's not an original part for the drone. But as you can see, it works as a little shock absorber. They originally have carbon fiber top plates for holding on the cameras, and I change it out for aluminum so that my GoPro stays attached. So as you can see, it worked as a little bit of a shock absorber. The impact drove the GoPro mount straight down into that mount, and it just bent the heck out of it. So yeah, good times. I recovered it, did find it at least, and that'll be no problem to get that fixed. I already did plug it in, everything boots up and works properly. The GoPro even turns on, and the screens work front and back. Pretty wild. So yeah, great recovery.